Hello guys, welcome to a video from the channel. This time we check how to cash out Skater Super Ice. So let's start. If you wanna cash out your money when you play the Super Ice in your casino, your favorite casino, well, you depend the app that you have. In this case, if you have Catch Up, that is the app that it's more users for Scatter Super Ice. Well, what you can do is get the app. Of course, when you get the app here, you can register and you have the money there, the wallet part, and then you can check the money that is available there. If you win something on your Skyler app, well, here you can start cash out the money on your app. Everything is made by Cash App. So here you can get all the money that you win on your skater super ice without any problem. Also, if you need help, you can go to the help center. Here you can get the help for your cash out. Here you can, for example, cash in. If you wanna cash out something, well, you can do it here. Get decide, transfer, bills, pay, loan, or something like that. Well, you can get it. So of course this app is not available all the world around the world. It's only available in some countries like Philippines. So here you can get it. But if you are not in Philippines, of course you can do it. So it's important to know it before you start register or getting something on your super ice skater game. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget to give us thumb up to this video if this video was helpful for you.